Guaranteed. Financial freedom won't come from your 9-to-5 job alone. I built a 7-figure wealth portfolio by age 35, and the blueprint is simpler than you think. Start by defining what financial freedom actually means to you. Is it $5,000 monthly passive income? Paying off your mortgage? Having $1 million invested? Get specific with your number. Next, attack debt strategically. Not all debt is created equal. Eliminate high-interest debt first while maintaining minimum payments on lower-interest debt. Credit cards must go before student loans. Now the wealth-building part. Automate your finances immediately. Set up your accounts to automatically transfer 20% of every paycheck into investments before you can touch it. What you don't see, you won't spend. Create multiple income streams. The average millionaire has 7. Start with just one side hustle that leverages your existing skills. Can you consult? Create digital products. Buy a small rental property. Invest consistently in index funds, not individual stocks. The S&P 500 has returned around 10% annually for decades. A boring $500 monthly investment could grow to over $1 million in 30 years. Build your knowledge daily. Read one financial book monthly. Listen to money podcasts during commutes. Your financial education is the highest returning investment you'll ever make. Financial freedom isn't about getting rich quick. It's about consistent, intentional steps taken daily. The person who starts today with this blueprint will be miles ahead of someone waiting for the perfect time to begin.